Go. Name your team. Okay, o sa inyo, yellow. Yellow python. Okay, yellow python. Let's go. Green. Unsa? Team Daddy. Team Daddy na sila. Very good kayo. Okay, ga-brainstorm din sila dyan pag-ayo. Okay, Team Blue, o sa inyong name? Alayo. Yun na huli natin ba? Blue. Ang red sa? O sa inyo, o sa inyo? Red horse. Oh, kaya huwag ang taon sila na satisfied gabi. Kulang, no? Okay. So, naano mo yung pangalan, no? Naano mo yung okay, this time, you will create a manda. Yellow python mo sila. This time, you will create your own yell. A very short yell to be presented after 2 minutes. Your time starts now. Yell. Short, very short.
We will rock you. We will rock you.
Wala pa. Okay, ready na? Ready na, okay. Gahuras-huras na lang yellow player. Perform muna. Yellow, ready. Okay, listen, everything. Oh, grabe yan. Kaya gabing storm, gano'n. Oh. Os kalingkuhan ni ilang yel. Okay, ready? On my mark. Ready? Whenever you are ready, go. Ba't po kaayo na yan?
Yellow python! 5, 6, 7, go! Yellow Misha!
Nay, choreography good.
Dili kayo.
Go! Yellow!
Kapit, kalimot!
Ada.
Nasa kamay. Kamay ha? Okay. Sunod! That is the green team. Ready?
Sabak Daddy Day!
Hey! That is team. Puskan ini that is team ya. Okay. Dili ko mapalupik ang blue team. Kabiga kayo. Galit niya. Yun na kay choreography. Kisa yung choreographer ka. Ready? Set! Go! The shorter, the better. Yan na naman si Pasi na very short. Oh, short po lang hindi mo. The Bluetooth. Okay, hindi po magpalupit. Last but not least, the red horse team. Red, go! Tawa na! Kulang practice ba? Pero very good! Applause! Okay. So, ila-ila ko na. Pasi, tanawa pasi ha. Okay.